Hello everybody, how are you today? Today in our Jolly Phonics class we are going to work with the sound of the letter P. We are going to work with the sound P, P. If you look at the image, we have got a big, pink, big cake, and the cake has got candles, has got 5 candles. So today we are going to learn the sound of the letter. So we are not going to use a lot of things. We are going to use our finger, just our finger, and we are going to place our finger very close to our lips. Yes, I'm going to turn around so you can see me. You place your finger next to your lips, like this. And now we are going to prepare to blow our candles. Yes? Okay, ready? So, in order to do the sound, we have to blow. Remember that we have to do like very strong. Ready? Okay, so we have got the sound P, and the sound P is for the letter P. Yes, for the letter P. Now we use it for the words parrot, pig, pen. We go again. Parrot, pig, pen.